Hello and welcome to NkitchN. Gobi Manchurian is a popular Indo-Chinese dish. Here is a recipe for making Gobi Manchurian at home. Here are the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, combine all-purpose flour, corn flour, soy sauce, green chili sauce, salt, and black pepper powder. Mix well. Add water gradually and whisk to form a smooth batter of pouring consistency. Dip the cauliflower florets in the batter, making sure they are coated evenly. Keep it aside for 30 minutes. Spray oil, add cauliflower florets, and air fry them at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 13 minutes on each side. These are ready. Let's get started with the sauce. Take a wok or pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add chopped garlic and ginger. Sauté for a few seconds. Add chopped spring onion whites, onions and capsicum and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until they become soft. Add salt and pepper powder as required. Add soy sauce, green chili sauce, tomato ketchup and vinegar. Mix well. Add a cup of water and let it come to a boil. Add the fried cauliflower florets to the sauce and mix well so that they are coated evenly. Add the corn flour water mixture and cook until the sauce thickens. Garnish with chopped spring onion greens and serve hot.